How to select all photos on iPhone. Need to select multiple photos on your iPhone so you can display them as a slideshow, share them or delete them. It's simple to select a handful of photos on your iPhone or even all your photos at once. Let's get started. First, open your Photos app. Now set to all photos. You can navigate to whatever folder you want to select photos in. Now tap on the select button in the top right corner of the screen. Lightly tap each photo you want to select. Then tap and drag your finger to the upwards. You'll select all the photos in the current location as the iPhone scrolls through the photos. And that's it. You now know how to select all your photos on your iPhone. This tip can come in handy when you need to perform bulk action on your photos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.